what's up, you guys? So I'm sitting here talking to Caroline and Granny. They've been quarantining over at my house because my parents have COVID and they've been sharing a room together. I want to know what's it like sharing a room with each other over at my house.
It's good and everything. Just Granny snores really loud.
She snores?
Bullshit!
Yes, you do.
The hell I do!
I took a video of you last night just
Oh,
to show you
bullshit.
because I knew Gran wouldn't believe it.
I can't fucking hear it. Fucker.
Take my phone.
Oh, bullshit! I don't snore like that,
Who
motherfucker.
is that then?
I don't. Fuck no, I don't. Don't come in that fucking room tonight. You understand what I'm saying? That is my fucking room. You don't want to hear me snoring? Keep your fucking eyes out. Fucking bitch.
What's her problem?
Gran,
What?
can I come in there later?
Fuck no.
Why?